Hi, and welcome to Grandma and Social Media. I've got a good one for you today, and a question that my mom has often asked, but I've heard other people ask. Why won't my daughter show me her crush's profile on social media? Or your granddaughter, possibly. This is why. Well, there's two explanations. One is maybe she doesn't want you to see the guy because she doesn't think you'll approve. Or two, this is much more common. People of my generation are scared that their parents will accidentally do something on their crush's profile without realizing it. For example, when you view a story, people can see that you viewed it. So your daughter, your son, whoever might not want their crush to see that you've viewed their page. This has happened to me. My mom has gone, or a family member has gone deep, to deep inside of their person's page at old photos and accidentally liked it. And no one wants to admit that they're stalking their crush. So that is a brief explanation, in my opinion, of why your daughter is not showing you her crush's social media pages. Talk to you soon.